Welcome back to Technical Skills Learning. In this video, we will see the output devices of a computer system. What is output device? The output device displays the result of the processing of raw data that is entered in the computer through an input device. There are a number of output devices that display output in the different ways, such as text, images, hard copies, and audio or video. Some of the popular output devices are monitor. Monitor, commonly called as a visual display unit, are the main output device of computer. It forms images from teeny dots called pixels that are arranged in a rectangular form. The sharpness of the image depends upon the number of pixels. There are two kinds of viewing screen used for monitors. One is a cathode ray tube or CRT. Second is flat panel display. Cathode ray tube or CRT monitor. The CRT display is made up of small picture elements called pixels. The smaller the pixels, the better the image clarity or resolution. It takes more than one illuminated pixel to form a whole character, such as the letter E in the word help. A finite number of characters can be displayed on a screen at once. The screen can be divided into a series of character boxes. Fixed location on the screen where a standard character can be placed. Most scenes are capable of displaying 80 characters of data horizontally and 25 lines vertically. There are some disadvantages of CRT. Large in scale, large in size. Second is high power consumption. Flat panel display monitor. The flat panel display monitor refers to a class of video devices that have reduced volume, weight, and power requirement in comparison to the CRT. You can hang them on the walls or wear them on your wrist. Current uses of flat panel displays include calculators, video games, monitors, laptop computer, and graphics display. Then second output device is a printer. Printer is an output device which is used to print information on paper. There are two types of printers. First is impact printers, second is non-impact printers. Impact printers. Impact printers print the characters by striking them on the ribbon, which is then pressed on the paper. Characteristics of impact printers are the following: very low consumable cost, very noisy, useful for bulk printing due to low cost. There is physical contact with the paper to produce an image. These printers are two types. First is a character printer, second is line printer. Dot matrix printer. In the market, one of the most popular printers is dot matrix printer. These printers are popular because of their ease of printing and economical price. Each character printing is in the form of a pattern of dots and had consist of a matrix of pins of size, which come out to form a character, which is why it is called a dot matrix printer. Advantage: inexpensive, widely used. Other language character can be printed. Line printers. Line printers are the printers which print one line at a time. These are two types. First is a drum printer. Second is chain printer. Drum printer. Drum printer is like a drum in shape, hence it is called the drum printer. The surface of the drum is divided into a number of tracks. Total tracks are equal to the size of the paper. That is for a paper width of 132 characters. Drum will have 132 tracks. A character set is embossed on the track. Defined character sets available in the market are 48 character sets, 64 and 96 character sets. One rotation of drum print, one line. Drum printers are fast in speed and can print 300 to 2000 lines per minute. Laser printers. These are non-impact printer. They use laser light to produce the dots needed to form the characters to be printed on a page. Advantage of this printer is it is very high speed, very high quality output, good graphics quality. Inkjet printers. Inkjet printers are non-impact character printers based on a relatively new technology. They print characters by spraying small drops on ink onto paper. Inkjet printer produce a high quality output with presentable features. They make less noise because no harming is done, and these have many styles of printing modes available. Color printing is also possible. Some models of inkjet printers can produce multiple copies of a printing also. Advantage is high quality printing, more reliable.